In this video, we're gonna make a deep house drop from scratch, sounding like this. So let's straight dive into it. Let's start off with a vocal. So I loaded up a vocal from the new Motion pack, sounding like this. It's fully mixed. I just dropped in a wet version of it right here. For example, we got some other vocals as well in the pack. But in today's video, we're gonna work with this one. So let's start off with the chords. I got a new preset loaded up. So let's pick one from the new Motion pack. Yeah, let's use this one. We are working in G minor, but I want to start off on a 6th note of a scale, the D sharp. And then just make a simple triad chords. Then we're gonna go down to the C. Which goes a bit too low, so we're gonna bump it up an octave. And then finish on the root. Just like this. As you can hear, the LFO is opening up at the end of the chord as well. And then I think I want to start off on the C chord. And then go back down to the G. Yeah, that's solid, so let's turn it into a chorus. Yeah, that's perfect. Then just spread out the chords by inverting them, bump it up an octave, like this. Yeah, that's better. So with a vocal, it sounds like this.
Oh, you got the toxic love.
Yeah, that's solid. Then we need to mix it. First, make some room for the bass line. And dip this resonating frequency and boost the highs a little bit. Then just some slight compression, because that's a really big attack to it as well. And we're finishing it off with some reverb and delay. I don't really like the second part of the chord progression, so we're gonna switch it up. The root note sounds a little bit off right now, so let's go down to the T. Yeah, that's better. And then bring back the C chord, I think. Yeah, that's way better. Then I want to layer it with a bass. Just pick a resound from the pack. Really thick re, so just follow the root notes. Yeah, that's solid. Then just dip a little bit of mids and get a sidechain. So for the chords, we're gonna run them to a bus channel and just drop a sidechain on the bus so we can route all elements to it to get a more cohesive sound. So altogether the chords sound like this. So now we're gonna dive the drums. First, let's drop in a kick from the pack. Yeah, this one really fits the deep house vibes.
Toxic love.
Then go for this organic clap. And short hi-hat. That's the foundation of the drums. Then spice it up with a percussion shot. Yeah, that's dope. Just lower this one down in volume. Then we need some shakers. Really like this organic loop. Get it to the tempo. And then to finish it off, we're gonna layer it with a top loop. Let's use this really minimal one. And then I'm gonna mix them really quickly. So I just quickly fix the volume of it. Something like this. Then I route them out to a bus channel. Add some really mild compression. And bring out the transient with a transient shaper. Just to make the punch a little bit better through the mix. So altogether the drums sound like this. So then the only thing that's left to do is drop in the lead synth. So let's pick a new Serum. And a preset from the pack. Let's use this one. And strum the chords. So we're gonna spread them out. Starting on the root of the first chord. And keep this rhythm, so we're gonna duplicate it. And go up to the C. Back to the G. Just like this. And then walk down the chords. Then this one's a little bit odd, but I think it works well to end the melody on the 7th. Then we're gonna do the same thing right here. G is a bit too high. Just like this. And then same thing as we did with the previous one. Again, down to the lower notes. Like, just repeat this step, but then on the D sharp. Yeah, this, just like this, works perfectly. With this technique, we create a melody through the chords, which is really dope in my opinion. Sounds really harmonic. So now we're gonna mix it. First run to the sidechain bass. Then get rid of the low end to make room for the bass. And just some simple reverb and delay. So that's it for the foundation of the track. Now I'm just quickly gonna spice it up with some ambiences and FX. So I just add some FX and Ambiences, starting with this arcade kinda string sound, uplifter in the end, fresh fill right here, combined with a low cut EQ on the master channel, going like this, and this plug sound just to again add some more ambience to it. Nothing special. Besides that, we're gonna automate the mod wheel to let it open up during the drop. So that's how you make a deep house drop. I think it turned out really dope. So let me know what you think about it as well in the comments. Besides that, if you liked the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.
Every time I try, I just can't get away, just can't get away. 'Cause you're on my mind, and I can't even lie, no. You got the toxic.